Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log out of your X application on your smartphone. First of all, launch the X app open on your device and from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on your account at the top. Under your account, click on Account Information. On the next page, you will see a Logout button in red at the bottom. Click on it, but remember that you must remember your credential before logging out of your account. If you do, click on Logout and click on Logout once again in the pop-up, and this should log you out of your X application in just a few seconds. And that's it. Now you're logged out of your X account. Whether you are switching devices or just want extra security, this method works perfectly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.